Assalamu alaikum everyone. So let's do virtual for the first time ever, and you guys are wondering what is virtual going to do, and I have never seen in a while a coin that has pumped this high so much. And be careful, because I definitely will tell you not to touch a coin that has pumped that badly and also has a bearish divergence right now. So let's make one thing very clear: it's not a good idea to buy. I don't care even if there's like, let's say, the unthinkable happens and then we see another move all the way to planet Jupiter or something like that. That is something that no one can guarantee, right? And nobody can guarantee. That's just confirmation bias or guess, not logic, not facts. Okay, even if it does go up, maybe there's 1% of those people are going to say, oh, I told you. But if you go with logic and TA, if TA is what you're here for, let's actually focus on the TA. So I think I figured out what is going on and what can happen. So I want to tell you, if you are going to trade virtual, number one is you might actually be tempted to open up a short position. Me too. But I'm just going to tell you the best scenario that is going to be better for you if you want to open up a trade. So first of all, of course, the bearish divergence and the RSI is totally cooked, totally overbought, and the coin is not going to move up for the rest of its whole life. Okay, at some point we are going to see the coin coming down. So I can actually drop this one resistance to the upside, as we can see, and I'm going to drop another lower support line just like that. Okay, and this is pretty perfect, right? To me, this is pretty perfect. Now the scenario is the following, right? This is very self-explanatory. This is a channel that has developed. You have 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 6 here, and now you're coming down for the 7th right over there. And this is how I want you to trade this coin, and this is going to be the most safest way to actually trade the coin. Now very soon you're going to see a break coming up. So I'm going to take this upper and lower, and you can see that until 4th of May, so within 24 hours we're going to actually see a break. Now when you see the break happening, it is either we get to see the coin making one more move up, and that could actually be to maybe 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, right? If the channel continues, if this support actually holds, right? So that's the first scenario. If the channel holds, you can actually put a buying bid right here, but I don't think it's gonna go up. But let's just say, it's still a support. If you do get support, then right, you can ride it all the way to the upside, and that's going to be a price increase. If you want to trade this one, we might actually see, I'm going to take the measuring stick. Okay, so this is an opportunity. If we just go back up to the highest part of the channel, it's 48%. Now let's say you break down, right? You come down and you start to lose the trend line. You lose the trend line, come to 1.5637. You make another pump, and people are going to get very, very bullish again. Maybe back up to, I think, 1.9, 1.2, or even $2. Take out this stop loss here, and completely from here start to slowly go down, and you'll actually go to maybe 1.2, at least 1.2, or maybe 1.17. That could actually be the sweet spot to take out your profit. So now all right? You know exactly what to do. So as a trader, this is what I want you to do risk management and whatnot. And I don't know if this video is going to get popular or people are going to be interested in watching it, but if you need a part 2, the likes on this video is going to convince me. So if it does get up to at least, let's say, 40 likes, I'm going to release a part 2 if it's going to be interesting to any of you out there. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.